Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Dubsado account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add tax to an invoice in Dubsado? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add tax to an invoice in Dubsado anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're required to collect sales tax, and with Dubsado, you can add that right into the invoice. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Dubsado account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you're going to add sales tax or tax into one of your invoices, it's going to be handled on the project level. After that, you need to go to the invoice. Once you're in the invoice, it's handled on the line item level. So here on the left side, we're going to click on projects. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all the projects you're working on. So go ahead and choose the project that you need to add sales tax into. So for example, this one. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the top, and you want to click on invoices. Okay, so once you're inside the invoice, like I said, the sales tax is going to be handled on the line item. So in this invoice, we have two line items. So this line item right here, 15 days marketing, and then the second line item, which is deliver onions. So let's go ahead and click into one of these line items. Okay, I clicked into deliver onions, and then we're going to click on edit. Okay, once we are in edit, in order to add tax to this particular charge, look for this box right here, tax. And if you click into it, you can see automatically they have the sample tax item. It's 20%. I wouldn't recommend using that. What you're going to do is click right here, new tax item. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and name the tax. So let's say this is Los Angeles County, and let's say that the percentage is 9.5, and then we're going to go ahead and add that in. All right, successfully created a tax item, and you're not quite done until you click on save. Okay, quick second later, the invoice refreshes. Now you see that we have a 9.5% tax added just onto this one line item. And if we look at the total, we have the subtotal $14.99, but the sales tax right here, $47.50. Now, if you need to add it into this other item up here, you can do the same thing. Just click on the little arrow and edit. And now if we go into the taxes, we don't need to create a new tax because we can simply just click right here in the tax box, and then we can choose the tax that we created, and that's for any future invoices. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add sales tax into one of your Dubsado invoices, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.